Right, it's the premium video for Tuesday, the 31st of May. So our previous video title was Decision Day or Not, and I don't think we had much expectations for the day with the leading markets being closed, and it was kind of a drifting day, a really drifting day. Just let me move to the 5 minute, and there you could see, it looked like the short was on. With these kind of accumulation bars here. Let me grab my pen. These kind of accumulation bars here, and certainly, I mean, we did manage to short some of them, and there was sort of 150 points or so in it, but it was sort of a ooze up, which is to be expected on the days when the leading markets are closed. It's always good to remember that. So okay, now, we've been talking about this terminating diagonal to the upside for a while, and it is now, I think, coming to the final stages. It can go a little bit higher, 850, 900, maybe even push for 49. I don't know, it's kind of a round number. But really, the thing that is a big problem for the bulls at the moment is the lack of volume. And you can see it here, it's just completely dried up. I mean, you've got almost half the daily volume compared to what was happening 2 or 3 days ago when we were having these strong up days. So I think what we was probably wanting to do here was to print some kind of evening star, but the lack of direction from the leading market most probably prevented that, and that means that we can go a little bit higher, but I think that this market is eminently shortable at some point around that level. So let's have a look at the pivots. So the main pivot is at 48,516. 516 sitting over here, and I have a feeling that we're going to have that tested. There should be some kind of little gap up or some kind of move early on in the day to try and get to the top end of this resistance here, maybe up to the R2. The R1 is at 48,777, so round about over there, and then the R2 is at 48,942. So let me just 942, round about here, and you can see it's right up against the resistance there. R2, we said R1 48,777, round about there, and PP 516. Okay, so the main pivot is right near this kind of support. So if we do fall through that, I think we're going to be moving quite a lot lower for an extended period of time, because the S1 is at 48,351, and that will mean a fair amount of trouble for the bulls. Okay. Right, let me just go to the hourly to show you that. We're kind of getting a squeeze developing here, but really there's no volume to carry the squeeze higher. And if we do start squeezing to the downside on the hourly here, then we've got some horrible gaps and things to the downside. Okay. Right, let's have a look at data. There is some stuff out, but it's quite late in the day. 4 o'clock consumer confidence. And then some minor things here, personal income, not major events, but could move things around. So I hope it helps. See ya.